Roll one, take one, action. Hey guys, and welcome to today's YouTube episode. And for today's YouTube episode, I've got, you guessed it, from my friends at Samash. I've got the Legendary UPhoria UMC202HD audio interface that has 192 kHz USB audio interface with MIDI I preamps and phantom power, as you can see right there. And it has a lot of things, and it comes with it's a USB 2.0, 192 kilohertz. It has multi-mic preamps. As you can see on the sides here, it does DAWs. For all you people that don't know what that means, that's a desktop audio workstation. Has direct monitor, for zero latency. And it comes with free audio recording and editing podcasting software downloadable at behringer.com. And if you can see, it has the 1/4 inch on the back and everything. And the USB. Let's see the sides, nothing there. Oh, look at that. We hear you. And move that to the side. Oh, and the first thing you see here, which is kind of strange. Okay, yeah, that's right. They opened it at Samash to show me that it was there. I didn't take anything out. They just cut it for me at Samash to show me everything was there. So yeah, I guess I didn't need my Winchester for today. Anyways, but I will need my hands for this one. Alright, there we go. You get the sticker. You get the pamphlets. In all types of languages. It just tells you about the audio interface and everything. And on the side here, we've got the USB cable. Your typical USB cable for connecting Pioneer DJ equipment, controllers and stuff, or printers or whatnot, or USB mics. Pretty cool. And here it is. The beautiful audio interface. Wow. Made in Germany. This stuff is really built strong. Titanium steel strong. So here you got your 1/4 inches and 1/4 inch and XLR. Here's the two gains for them. Here's the on and off switches for them. So you can be switching from line, and stuff like that. Direct monitor. Here's the output volume knobs. These are the gain volume knobs. This is the headphone volume knob. Yeah, just like a DJ controller, just like a DJ mixer. It has the volume where you could lift them out and you could customize them, I guess, if you want to. But here you connect your headphone jack on the back. Kingston lock, which nobody uses anymore. Here you would connect the USB cable and the other hand to your workstation or your laptop. Right. Over here is the phantom power switch off or on, plus 48V. And then here's your output 1/4 inches. And then down here you would get all your info and stuff, And that's how you register it, by putting this code stuff here. So anyways, guys, there's really not much to say, but you can use this with Pro Tools first, because it comes with I think it comes with Pro Tools first, then Ableton Live. I'm not sure yet, but I already have Pro Tools and Ableton and all that, so I'm sure as soon as I connect it and the drivers go through on Windows 10, everything's gonna be great. There will be more episodes coming. I know I haven't made any new episodes, but this one's it. So thanks for watching this YouTube episode, and there's gonna be a couple more that I'm gonna be doing soon, so stay tuned for that. So thanks guys for tuning in, and for this has been the unboxing of the UPhoria UMC202HD audio find, by the way, because it says so right there on the box. Audio interface. See you next time.